Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly, let's go to contacts, like this specific contacts application. Tap skip, then you go to fix and manage, select manage SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, so you can just select them all, then tap import, and after that these contacts will appear on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.